What's up, guys? It's your boy Ben Rex. I'm here with Sheldrak.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Okay,
Let's have
Sheldrak,
it.
can
Let's
you
have it.
identify this sport?
In business, we are in
Sport.
business now.
Yes. So, can you identify the sport using this emoji?
Omo. Just the sports. Crying emoji and pussycat.
Yeah.
I go put this kind of question for 400. I don't feel, I don't feel.
No fit. Okay. So your next question: can you guess this movie? A hat, a chocolate, and a golden ticket.
Peaky Blinders.
Nope. Guess again.
A hat.
A hat, a chocolate, and a golden ticket.
A hat.
A chocolate, and a golden ticket.
Home Alone.
Not Home Alone. Actually, last year, DSTV almost keep person with this movie.
Ah.
Yup. A hat, a chocolate, and a golden ticket. It's a very, very popular movie. A very, very popular movie.
Ah, answer. Next question.
Okay, guys, you can tell him on the comment section. Let's go. Your next question. Can you guess this animal? A bee.
What's your phone?
Using this emoji, can you identify the animal? A bee plus ear. Can you guess the animal?
A B plus ear.
Yeah.
How person want to guess animal from this picture now? Why did you do like this?
It's very easy. This thing is very, very easy.
How this is?
It's easy. I know what I'm saying.
A B.
Yeah. Some people already won like 10,000 plus from me. Yeah.
Over 400.
Yes, now. B
No
plus
be like,
ear.
no be human be like this.
Human being ear.
Ear.
Yeah.
Guess the animal.
If you don't know it, we can go to the other one. No idea. No idea.
No.
Okay. Next question. Can you guess this drink? A star and dollar.
It's on a Heineken.
Not Heineken.
The wine.
It'll be Heineken now.
Star.
Yes, plus dollar.
Okay, like Star Beer.
Star Beer, your final answer.
What you call mugulity.
Oh God.
Alright, viewers, you can tell him on the comment section. Your last question.
So it means I know what's happening for you.
Can you guess this word using this emoji? Can you guess the word using this emoji? A heart plus a bird. Can you guess the word?
This one signifies love,
Mhm.
and this one signifies peace and emoji. So love plus peace.
It's love, peace.
Love peace.
If I go laugh, I go cry. So
No.
I laugh.
You got
even
it
if I have
wrong.
to pause it.
Alright, guys, you can tell him on the comment section.
Someone-
Okay, your final question, the last one. Can you identify this drink?
This drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, Orlando was.
Okay.
The drink, not be the handle.
Everything here using this emoji: a strawberry, a milk, a strawberry milk, and handshake. Can you
Okay, what
identify?
I see for here now? Hollandia yogurt. I don't know
Okay.
about hand.
I will help you with this one. This is simple: strawberry milk shake. Thank you. So you don't need any more.